हे गाइस, हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज वाली वीडियो उन सभी एस्पिरेंट के लिए यूजफुल है जो कि तैयारी कर रहे हैं असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर एग्जाम इन एनी स्टेट। अगर आप भी अपनी तैयारी को बूस्ट करना चाहते हैं तो वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिए। इस वाली वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे आइसोलेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट से आए हुए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन। तो our first question is in the equations 4m plus 8cn negative plus 2h2o plus O2 is given as that 4mcn 2 whole negatives plus 4OH negatives. Identify the metals. M is gold. Therefore, C option is correct answer for this question. Here is the solutions. Least reactive metals like silver and gold are obtained by the cyanide process. In this process, the impure metals is treated with the NaCN solution and the air is passed. Metal is converted into soluble complex as 4Au plus 8Cn negatives plus 2H2O plus O2 give rise that 4AuCN2 negative soluble complex plus 4OH negatives. Therefore, C option is correct answer for this questions. Our next question is how is ore of aluminium concentrated is leaching process. Therefore, B option is correct answer for this question. Aluminium is concentrated by leaching process. B option is correct answer. Here is the solution for this question. Aluminium ore is concentrated by leaching process. Aluminium ore is usually contain SiO2, iron oxide and titanium oxide as impurities. Concentration is carried out by digesting the powdered ore with a concentrated solution of NaOH at 473 to 523 kelvins. This way, aluminiums are leached out as sodium aluminates. Al2O3 solids plus 2OH negatives aqueous plus 3H2O is given as that 2 aluminium OH whole 4 negatives. Therefore, B option is correct answer for this question. Next question: which among the following alloys is used in making instrument for electrical measurement? There is magnesia. Magnesia is used for electrical measurement instrument makings. Therefore, B option is correct answer for this questions. Here is the solution for this question. Is magnesia is alloy used in making instrument for electric measurement. Magnesia is alloys which contains 86% copper, 12% magnesium and 2% nickels. Therefore, B option is correct answer for this question. The ore chromides is FeCr2O4. A option is correct answer. Ore chromides FeCr2O4. Next question is leaching is a process of oxidation. Therefore, D option is correct answer. Here is the solution. Leaching is a widely used extractive metallurgy techniques which convert metals into soluble salt in aqueous media. For example, 2ZnS plus O2 plus 2H2SO4 give rise that 2ZnSO4 plus 2H2O plus 2S. It is oxidation process. Therefore, D option is correct answer for this question. Next question: the dissolved argentite ore which of the following is used? Where is NaCN is used? Therefore, B option is correct answer for this question. Here is the solution. The silver ore is dissolved in cyanide solution to form soluble argento-cyanides complex, from which metals is obtained by reductions with more electropositives. As2S plus NaCN gives rise that 2NaAgCN2 plus NO2S. Therefore, B option correct option for this question, NaCN. Next question: which of the following is not correct? Here is D option is correct answer. NaOH is used during Hall process of purification of bauxites. This is incorrect statement. Therefore, D option is correct answer. NaOH is not used during Hall process for purification of bauxites. Here is the solution. AlCl3 is Lewis acid. Aluminium reacts with bases to liberate hydrogen gas. The reaction will be 2Al plus 2NaOH plus 2H2O give rise that 2NaAlO2 plus 3H2 gas. Aluminium is used for manufactures of electrical cables. NaOH is not used in the preparation of aluminium. Cryolites is used. Therefore, D option is correct answer for this question. Next question: a number of elements available in earth crust, but most abundant elements are number of elements which are available in earth crust, and most abundant element is oxygen. But in these questions there is option number A is correct answer, because aluminium and iron is also most abundant element in earth crust. Therefore, A option is correct answer. Solution is percentage abundance of elements in earth crust are oxygen 46.6%, उसके बाद है सिलिकॉन्स 27.7%, उसके बाद एल्यूमिनियम 8.1% एंड देन आयरन इज 5%. Thus, aluminium and iron are the most abundant element in the earth crust among the following options. Therefore, A option is correct answer. Next question. So, which one of the following ore is best concentrated by froth flotation methods? Is Galena. Galena is correct answer. Therefore, B option is correct answer. यहाँ पे इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रखी है. सोल्यूशन इज इन द फ्रोथ फ्लोटेशन मेथड्स. The finely ground ore is mixed with waters, oil and fume foaming agents. Then the mixture is stirred. During stirring, foam is gets forms which contain ore. The ore comes out with fume and heavy dense impurity remain bottom of the containers. The froth flotation methods is useful for low dense ore. Therefore, Galena PBS is low dense and can be separated by these methods. Here is incorrect explanations for incorrect options is Sandrite is FeCO3, malachite is Cu2CO3 OH whole twice, magnetite is Fe3O4 are dense ore and not stable for froth flotation methods. Therefore, B option is correct answer for this question. Next question. Aeration is when Arcal methods is used for the prepare samples of same metals. This is correct statement. And reason is it involves the reaction of CO with metals to form volatile carbonyls that decompose on heatings to give pure metals. This is incorrect statement. The explanations for this question is here is the solution. When alkyl methods क्या होता है, crude metals is heated with a suitable substance so that the pure metal present in it may be converted into stable volatile compounds leaving behind impurities. The compound so formed is then decomposed by heatings to get the pure metals. When alkyl methods is used to purify crude titanium metals, it is heated with iodine to about 500 kelvins to form a volatile compounds titanium I4 leaving behind the impurity. Titanium I4 is further heated to 1700 kelvins when it decomposes to give pure titaniums. When alkyl methods involves use of I2 iodines to form volatile iodide of metals which on decompositions gives pure metals. Therefore, aeration is correct and reason is incorrect. Next questions. Extraction of gold AU involves the formation of complex ions X and Y. Gold ore then extracted roasting Cn negatives H2O O2 HO negatives plus X give rise that zinc की presence में Y plus AU. X and Y respectively are AU Cn2 negatives Zn Cn4 2 negatives. Therefore, A option is correct answer. Here is the explanations. Extraction of gold involves the formation of complex ions X and Y. X and Y respectively are AU Cn2 negatives and Zn Cn4 2 negatives. Gold ore roasting in the presence of Cn negatives H2O O2. HO negatives plus AU Cn2 negatives in the presence of zinc Zn Cn4 2 negatives plus AU. Gold present in the ore combines with cyanide ions to forms the complex AU Cn2 negatives. From this complex, zinc is displaced gold to form AU metals and ZnCN4 2 negative complex. Next questions. Which of the following metallurgical process does not involve heatings? There is a लीचिंग प्रोसेस. लीचिंग प्रोसेस के अंदर हीट इन्वॉल्व नहीं होती. यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन दे रखा है. लीचिंग इज ए मेटलर्जिकल प्रोसेस that does not involve heatings. Leaching is the process of extracting a soluble materials from an insoluble solid by dissolving out in a stable solvent. Therefore, D option is correct answer for this question. Leaching. In froth flotation process for the purification of ore, the particles of ore float because their surface is not easily wetted by waters. Therefore, A option is correct answer. Here is the explanation. Froth flotation process works on the principle of difference in wettability between the ore and particles that can be easily wetted by waters is called hydrophilic. while particles that are not easily wetted by water is called hydrophobic. Hydrophobic particles have a tendency to form a separate phase in aqueous media. In froth flotation process, first the powdered ore is added to waters with frothing agents, pine oil, along with collecting agents. Sodium ethyl xanthate is added. Carysols and aniline are added to stabilize the froth. A vigorous streams of air is passed to agitate the mixtures. As a result, the particles of sulfides or sticks to the oil and rise to the surface in the form of froth. However, the gangue particles are wetted by waters and settle down at the bottom of the tank. Thus, the purification of ore occurs by this method. Therefore, A option is correct answer for this question. Is froth flotation method या फिर process. Which one of the next question? Which one of the flowing ore is concentrated by froth flotation process? Which is galena. Galena, C option is correct answer. Here is the solution. Galena is PBS is concentrated by froth flotation process. Froth flotation methods is used to concentrated sulfide ores. Therefore, D option is correct and C option is correct answer for this question. Galena. Next question. Which one of the following method is used in the concentrations of sulfide ore is froth flotation methods? A option is correct answer. Here is the solution. Froth flotation is a process of selectively separating hydrophobic materials from hydrophilics. This is used in several processing industries. The single most important operations used for the recovery and upgrading of sulfide ore. It is the process in which air bubbles are introduced into a mixture of finely divided ore or other materials with waters and a chemicals that adds attachment of the bubbles to the particles of the desired materials and its recovery as a froth. Next question. Which of the following process does not involve heatings? There is D option is correct answer. Levigations. D option is correct answer. Here is the solutions. The process that does not involve heatings is levigations. Levigation is the process of grinding an insoluble substance into a fine powdered while wet. The materials is introduced into the meal together with waters in which the powdered substance remains suspended and flows from the meal as a turbid liquid or thin paste according to the amount of water employed. Option is correct answer. Levigation is correct answer. So in the cyanide extraction process of silver from argentite ore, the oxidizing and reducing agents used are O2 and zinc dust respectively. Therefore, B option is correct answer. Here is the explanations. The process of extraction of silver and gold from their respective mineral ores is called a cyanide process. It is named so because sodium cyanide solution is used where it forms a complex salts with Cn negative ions due to presence of lone pair on the nitrogen atoms. The argentite ore Ag2S contains silvers. The ore dissolve in cyanide solution forming sodium argentocyanide. In this process, O2 and zinc are used as oxidizing and reducing agent respectively. Therefore, B option is correct answer for these questions. Next questions. In the context of the Hall-Héroult process for the extraction of aluminium, so which of the following statement is false? Here is the option number D is correct answer. Na3Al-F6 serve as a electrolytes. Therefore, it is incorrect statement. Here is the solution in the Hall-Héroult process. For the extraction of aluminium, the electrolyte used is a fused mixture of alumina 2 to 8%, synthetic cryolite Na3Al F6 80 to 85%, aluminium F3 is 5 to 7%, and fluorospar is CF2 is 5 to 7%. Therefore, D option is correct answer. Next questions. Which of the following is not added the extractions of silver by cyanide process? There is Na2S2O3 is does not add for the extraction of silver by cyanide process. Therefore, D option is correct answer. Na2S2O3. Next question, here is the solution. Air, O2 and Na2S2O3 are not added to the extraction of silver by cyanide process. The reactions during the process are as shown. Ag2S plus 4NaCN give rise that 2Na AgCN2 plus Na2S. 2Na AgCN2 plus zinc is give rise that Na2ZnCN4 plus 2Ag. Option is correct answer for this question. Next question, which method's purification is represented by the following equations? Titanium solid plus 2I2 gas give rise that in the presence of 523 kelvins. Titanium I4 gas give rise that 1700 kelvins is titanium solid plus 2I2 gas. Here is the process is when Urkel methods. Solution is titanium plus 2I2 is 523 Kelvin titanium I4 gas. Titanium I4 gas at 1700 Kelvin's temperature. Titanium solid plus 2I2 gas. This process is also known as Van Arkel method. It is used for refining zirconium and titanium. In this method, oxygen and nitrogen present as impurity are removed by heating metal in an evacuated vessel for iodine. Therefore, D option is correct answer for this question. Next question. Which one of the following oxides is reduced by water's gas to obtain the metal during its extraction? Is A option is correct answer. Nickel oxides. NiO, nickel oxides. A option is correct answer. Here is the solution. 2NiO plus CO plus S2 is given that 2Ni plus CO2 plus S2 water gas. Nickel oxides is reduced by water's gas to obtain nickel during its extractions. Therefore, A option is correct answer for this question. Next question, match the items in column first with the items in column second. Assign the correct code. Cyanide process is extraction of AU. Cyanide process is used for the extraction of gold. Froth flotation process is used in dressing of ZNS. Electrolytes reduction is extraction of aluminiums. Zone refining is ultra pure germaniums. In the electrolysis of alumina using cryolite, the reactions that takes place at cathode is 4 aluminium 3 positive plus 12 electrons give rise that 4 aluminium से कैथोड के ऊपर क्या होता है रिडक्शन. तो यहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट डिक्रीज हो रही है, इसका मतलब यहाँ पे रिडक्शन हो रहा है, इसलिए बी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. हियर इज द सॉल्यूशन. 4 aluminium 3 positive plus 12 electron give rise that 4 aluminium metals at the cathode reductions aluminium oxide say Al2O3 is an ionic compounds. When it is melted, the Al3 positive O2 negative ions are free to move and conduct electricity. Electrolysis of alumina cryolite solutions gives aluminium at the cathode and oxygen at the anodes. 4 aluminium 3 positive plus 12 electron give rise that 4 aluminium metals at the cathode reductions. 6 O2 negatives plus 12 electrons minus 12 electrons give rise that 3 O2. Oxygen gas at anode is oxidations. Aluminium is more dense than the alumina cryolite solution, and so it falls to the bottoms of the cell where it can be tapped off as pure liquid metals. 2Al2O3 liquids give rise that 4Al liquids for us plus 3O2 gas. Oxygen is given off at the positive carbon anode. Carbon dioxide is also given off at the carbon anode because hot oxygen react with carbon anode to form carbon dioxide gas. Carbon plus O2 is given that CO2 gas. The carbon anode slowly disappears because each molecule of carbon dioxide which is given off takes a little piece of carbon away with it. The carbon anodes need to be replaced when they become too small. Therefore, correct answer for this question is option number B. 4 aluminium 3 positive plus 12 electron give rise that 4 aluminiums. This is the last question for this video. Thanks for watching.